Hello, this is Dustin with Mender here for Ideal Security. Today, we're going to be working with storm door deadbolts and how to change them. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. First, remove the deadbolt. If you don't have a deadbolt and you want to install one, you need to make sure that your door has room for it. If you look at the profile of the outside of the door, you just need to make sure that you have at least 2 inches from edge of the door to the glass. And you want to make sure that your new deadbolt doesn't interfere with any other hardware on the inside door. A deadbolt is usually placed 6 inches above the handle. Using the provided template, we can ensure that we get the holes and the latches placed in the right spot. Mine swings out to the right, so I'm going to use the right-hand template. Fold on the correct line. Now from the inside of the door, with the door shut, we're going to set our fold right where the door meets the jamb. Mark your holes for the deadbolt and the deadbolt strike. After you drill your holes with a 5/16, you'll be ready for the install. We're going to start by measuring the thickness of our door. 2 1/8 for me. Keyed entry side goes on, spindle goes in first. Slide into the middle hole. Now with the spindle inside the lock housing, your spindle should only protrude from the door about 1/4 inch. There's marks on the spindle to make cutting it easy. I have a 2 1/8 door. I lay my screw up there. It tells me exactly which one to use. Also, you can place your spindle here and mark it right where you need it. Now you can trim the spindle as needed. Keyed entry goes on. Spindle goes in the center hole. Thumb latch. Secure with screws. Now we can replace the old catch. Give it a test. Working awesome. So that's it. Nothing to it. We just took off an old deadbolt, put on a new deadbolt on a storm door, and now you can keep away those unwanted guests. So for Mender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.